Hi everybody, it's Rosemary the Garden Fairy, and I'm here to share fun gardening tips and information about the interesting natural world around us. Have you ever heard the phrase, the early bird catches the worm? For people who like to watch birds, it's the early birder catches the bird. Between the time the first gray light of day appears and the sun peeps over the horizon, the mockingbirds make some of their most beautiful music. Those who have heard it say the birds are greeting the sun with an anthem of joy. Others say they are singing to mark their territorial boundaries. Stay off my property. There's a great deal of activity as birds fly from their roosts to feed in the cool dawn. One morning, you should try to wake up very early with the sun. Go outside into the morning air with your family and sit quietly. How many birds do you see? What are their colors? And what are they doing? How many different bird songs and calls do you hear? Follow me to the garden. Let's check out the magic of nature.